Ja, 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 ja. Aha, aha.
Einfach mal hinsetzen und seufzen. Ja.
Chief Inspector, we are looking for a stocking salesman.
I see you have a suspect.
Yes. Contact all the stocking wholesalers who may employ him.
Your suspect is a salesman?
No, he does not take orders. He sells door to door.
Right. The hunt is on.
Der Hunt is on! Ne, wir können ja erst morgen, weil dann kommt diese... Diese Flüssigkeit, die wir brauchen. Der ist es, oder?
Are you leaving, Mr. Cust?
Kommt das wieder?
Yes, I'm going to Cheltenham.
You shouldn't travel today. You don't look very well.
I have to. I have engagements. I must respect them.
Er heißt halt auch tatsächlich ABC, ne?
Can you get the post, Ace?
And why don't you go and get it yourself?
Très bien. What's going on? I've never known Hastings to be so disagreeable.
Alright, Freunde. Wir spielen den Hercule Poirot, ja. Wir sind so ein Detektiv-Typ à la Sherlock Holmes, ja. Das ist so ein Point-and-Click-Game mit so ein bisschen Rätseln und... Ja.
Are you collecting the post, Poirot?
So, wir haben Post gekriegt. So ein bisschen Rätseln und halt Zeugen befragen und Fälle lösen. Wo ist rot? Oh, ich kann ja drehen.
Poor Mr. Poirot.
Der ist
I'm quite
Franzose,
sorry for you.
wie man
If
hört.
at first you don't succeed, try again. We've a long way to go still. Typery? No, that comes later. Letter T. The next little incident will take place in Doncaster on September 11th.
11.
So long.
September.
ABC.
So long.
I should compare this letter with the one on my desk which I received earlier to see
Okay.
if it does indeed come from the same person.
Wir müssen halt wieder Doncaster Troy. Wir müssen halt wieder abgleichen, ob die vom selben stammen, aber ich denke schon. Weil wir haben da schon was gesehen.
Let us examine this more closely.
Wir gucken.
Certain characters in the two letters may have similar defects.
Ja, wir wissen ja, das A hängt. Das große A hängt drunter. Das kleine W ist so ein bisschen schlecht gedruckt, ne?
The W is not printed properly.
Not printed properly.
Of course,
Of
the
course.
W characters in the two letters do indeed have the same defects.
Ade, merci.
I have to find some other similar defects to confirm my theory.
Ja, das ist halt jetzt ein bisschen, also keine Ahnung, das haben wir jetzt schon zweimal gemacht und jetzt kommt das halt nochmal.
Yes,
Ein
this
drittes Mal?
eye is weird.
Ein drittes Mal.
Yes, the eye I have to find...
Das hängende A war halt noch.
Yes, the A appears to be quite unusual.
Ja, die auch so.
That's right. The A characters in the two letters do indeed have the same defects.
Genau.
My theory was right. These two letters were written...
Von derselben Maschine geschrieben. Wussten wir, dachten
Hastings.
wir schon.
Strikes
Haben wir
tomorrow.
gesehen. Alright.
Chief Inspector Japp?
Über die
He's
Chat.
on another line. Can I take a message?
Yes, please, mademoiselle. It is from Hercule Poirot. Tell him ABC strikes tomorrow in Doncaster. He must call me back.
Very well, sir.
Richtig Semus, gell?
Bien, now I'm going to see what I can find from these burnt documents. I've received the product I need. Hastings, if you do not mind, I would like you to take a few notes.
Yes, yes.
Verbrannten Dokumente entschlüsseln. Ich dachte, ich könne mich hier hinsetzen dafür. Beobachten.
If someone has tried to get rid of these documents, they may be important.
Sind vielleicht... Wo ist diese Mücke, Mann? Ich dreh durch. Ja, okay. Gib mir das Ding.
So, how are you getting on? I'm ready to take notes.
Achso. Ich dachte, der hat diese Flüssigkeit in der Hand. Wie ist das jetzt?
I've finished with this subject.
Okay, aber was ist damit?
Poor Mr. Poirot.
Der Brief. Also wie setzen wir jetzt das Ding zusammen? Benutzen. Ich dachte eben, ich könnte es hier auf dem... Notes. Wo ist denn sein Mittel, sein Ding? Wo hat er das hin? Fuck. Wir wissen es nicht. Wir wissen es halt nicht. Liegt das da auf dem... Da? Da. Hättest du mir abbringen
Down
können?
to work.
Sag mir denn das
What of this
keiner?
needs putting in order a little.
Okay, Freunde, okay, es geht los. Okay. Ne? Puzzle Master. Was ist denn? Wie kann ich... Okay.
This does not look too difficult. It's so simple. This page is finished.
Okay, mega.
That's done. 3 more to go.
Also, okay, wie. Dreh raus. Wir haben einen Dreh raus, Freunde. Okay, das ist fix. Ich muss es dahin machen. Hm?
It's so simple.
So simpel.
This
Wird
page
nicht
is
ganz so
finished.
geil, ganz ehrlich.
And that's 2 done. This piece should be placed here. It's so simple. This page is finished.
Das ist jetzt,
Only one
das ist jetzt
more.
nicht so
Keep going.
befriedigend.
This does not look too difficult. This page is finished. All the pages are reconstructed.
Die haben das mega gut verbrannt, hä? Okay, jetzt, vielleicht kommt jetzt erst die Arbeit. An die
A
Arbeit.
bottle of solvent.
Mal hier einen Lappen voll jetzt.
A dry cloth.
Oder? Verarsch mich hier nicht.
A dry cloth.
Nehmen und verschieben.
A dry cloth. A
Junge.
bottle of solvent.
Ja, und jetzt? Ist halt einfach irgendwie, oder?
The cloth is now soaked with solvent.
Das ist jetzt echt nicht so befriedigend, dieses Rätsel.
Got it! Make a note, Hastings, make a note. Mrs. Alisasha, shop owner in Andover. Tracheitis, hemoptysis, prescribed laudanum.
I got it. Look. Poirot, where on earth did you find these files?
On a fire at the bottom of the garden at Comside.
All right, but where did the person who burned them find them?
Er stellt hier die richtigen Fragen. Okay, wir lesen jetzt die Dokumente.
Alice Asher, shopkeeper in Andover. Tracheitis, hemoptysis, chronic cough with loss of blood. Prescribed laudanum-based cough medicine. Betty Barnard, waitress in Bexhill. Chronic bronchitis causing dysphonia. Advised to stop smoking. Alexander Bonaparte Cust. While wounded, mustard gas and head trauma. Pulmonary emphysema. Hemoptysis. Coughing fits with blood.
Das ist er.
Suffers from absences and amnesia.
Das ist er. Der Alexander
Bonaparte Cust.
Cust.
While
ABC.
wounded.
Ja?
Dick Dudley Dunbar, owner of the Black Swan Hotel in
Triple
Doncaster.
D, Mann.
Asthmatic, heart disease, heart condition. Let us now try and get our brain cells to work.
Woher stammen die verbrannten Dokumente? Woher wohl? Nein. Also, ich verstehe dieses System hier wieder nicht. Woher stammen die verbrannten Dokumente? Ja, die stammen von da. Punkt. Das ist die Antwort. Aber ich muss halt 3 Dinge auswählen. Was denn? Das bestimmt nicht, oder? Das sind die Quittungen von dem Badeort, brauchen wir nicht. Wäre das ja das und das noch. Also ich meine... Das ist so ein bisschen...
The burned documents are medical records and without a doubt they come from Clark's archives. First of all, because all the patients have throat conditions. And secondly, their name starts with either A, B, C or D, and it is precisely the files that match these letters that have been tampered with.
But why burn these files? How come the names of the 2 victims appear on them? And who are the 2 other patients?
These are very good questions.
Wer sind die anderen beiden? Telefono.
Hello, Poirot?
Any news, Chief Inspector?
You wanted a stocking seller? We have one. Reported by his landlady who thought he was behaving suspiciously. He has the most unbelievable name.
Alexander Bonaparte Cust.
Yes, Alexander Bonaparte Cust. How did you guess? Poirot, you have magical powers. It's a serious lead. I called Doncaster. A person matching Cust's description has been seen at the station. He got off the train from London, but after that, nobody knows where he went.
Look for him at the Black Swan Hotel.
What? How do you know he's there?
Trust me, Chief Inspector.
You appear to be very sure of yourself. Very well. I'll call the Black Swan straight away. The owner is going to get a shock when he learns that there's a murderer under his roof.
Chief Inspector, I would rather call myself.
As you wish. Please go ahead.
Newton.
Hello, the Black Swan. Hercule Poirot here. May I speak to the owner?
Speaking. Dick Dudley Dunbar. How can I help you?
Is there Mr. Cust among your guests?
He arrived today. Shall I call him for you?
Was sollen wir tun jetzt? Soll ich mit ihm weiterlabern oder ihn bitten?
No, it is you I wish to speak with.
But who is this Cust?
Okay, hatten wir den anderen.
Have you heard about the ABC case?
Oh, yes. I must say I'm not all that reassured, but what with my name starting with D and all that?
You're in danger. Beware of your guest.
Do you think that Cust might be dangerous? Oh, I do hope you're wrong. He seems so harmless, you know. Oh, yes, completely harmless.
Do not be fooled. He has already killed 3 people and you are next.
A murderer? Under my roof? Good God!
Dunbar, can you hear me? Dunbar! Hello?
Dunbar
has had malaise. That's all we needed. I'm calling the Doncaster police. I hope they get there quickly.
Hello, Poirot. We have some good news. The police in Doncaster have caught our man at the Black Swan Hotel. They're sending him here by train.
How is the hotel owner?
He had a heart attack. He was taken to the hospital.
Oh no.
Shit.
It is my fault. When I told him the killer was at his hotel, I should have been more considerate.
Come on, Poirot. You weren't to know he had a weak heart.
But I should have known. I saw his medical records.
Do not torture yourself, Poirot. His attack was not fatal thanks to the quick intervention of the ambulance team.
Please keep me informed on his progress.
You can count on me. I'll do what's needed.
I will visit him at his bedside when the murderer is caught.
That's typical of you, Poirot. We should focus on the next part of the investigation in order to avoid other incidents.
No, of course.
While we're waiting to question Cust, we could search his room in London.
Where does he live?
The Marbury Guest House?
I'll see you there.
Yes, but start without me. First of all, I have to sort out a few details for Cust's transfer.
I understand. À bientôt. Hastings, we are making good progress. Please go and search the room of our #1 suspect.
With pleasure. I did have a dentist appointment, but I'll cancel.
The dentist. So that is why you are so nervous and bad-tempered.
A visit to the dentist is never an enjoyable prospect.
But an unavoidable one. Go to your appointment, Hastings. I will manage on my own.
Alright. Okay, ich glaube, es neigt sich dem Ende zu,
To
dieses
Marbury
Spiel.
Guest House, please.